Hello students, welcome to the previous year question series of aggravation. Last year we have been doing this series of CUET 2024 and you all have got a very good response from that videos. You all told that those videos have been very useful for you. So this year we are back with another series in which we'll be covering questions that came in CUET 2024. I'm Divyanshu Gupta, your mentor for CUET 2025. So coming straight away to the first question which came in CUET 2024 is dash test is used to check the fermentation in cocoa beans. So this topic has came from your tea, coffee and cocoa processing. So that is also a very small topic, but not a very common topic. Usually those questions don't come from this topic, but this time we have a question from this topic. So the question is which test is used to check the fermentation in cocoa beans? So straight away the answer is first option, which is cut test, which determines whether the cocoa beans have been fermented or not. So coming to the second question, we have pectic enzymes include the following groups. So they have asked the question from which enzymes are included in the pectic enzyme category. So pectin esterase is there, polyglucosinase is there, and pectin lyase is there. So all three enzymes come under the category of pectin lyase, pectic enzymes. So A, B, and C first is the right option for this question. Then the third question we have, naturally occurring toxicant in potatoes is. So this is also a very common type of question in which they will ask which specific enzyme or which specific nutrient or which specific toxicant in found in a particular food commodity. So in potatoes, solanine is the naturally occurring toxicant which is usually found and it has to be removed during processing. Otherwise, it will have a toxic effect in the end product. So you all might be wondering how to start your preparation for CUET 2025 because a good amount of time is left for that exam. So you can join our CUET 2025 series in which we give you dedicated notes, test series, and we interact with you on a daily live lecture basis. So that will be obviously useful for you. Last year, we have got exceptional rank of 2, 3, and 4, and many more students got admission in your central universities. So that was useful for the students last year, and it might be useful for you. So coming again to the fourth question we have. The correct order of the production of egg powder is. So this has came from the egg processing category. So the correct order is the order which is given in the options. First is pasteurization, then is fermentation, then it is drying, and fourth it is cooling. So A, B, C, D first is the right option for this question. Then coming to the fifth question we have, match the following list. So we have to match the name of the bacteria with the bacteriocin. So Bifidobacterium longum consists of antibiotics. Then Lactococcus lactis comes to your nisin. Then Lactobacillus acidophilus comes to acidonosin. And then Lactobacillus lactis comes to lacticin. So your fourth answer is the right option for this question. That is A third, B fourth, C first, and D second. Then coming to the sixth question, which we have, glycerol monostearate serves as a dash in cake. So this question has came from the cake processing category, cake processing topic. So glycerol monostearate works as an emulsifier in cake processing. So next question which we have is, the dash has become the reference for international food safety requirements. So which has become the reference for international food safety requirements? So answer is Codex Alimentarius Commission. So CAC, which is Codex Alimentarius Commission, is the right answer for this question. Then browning in egg powder can be prevented by. So this also has came from the egg processing topic. So we all have studied last year, or for the students who have been in the batch, they know that this was one of the topic which I explained in detail. So glucose oxidase is the enzyme which is used to prevent the browning in egg powder. Next question which we have, non-nutritive sweetener which is used in soft drinks. So what is a non-nutritive sweetener? See, ideally in any of the food commodity, we are using cane sugar or normal sugar as a sweetener because it gives a mouthfeel, it gives the sweetness. But what for the people who are not consuming sugar, for the diabetic people or for the people who are into sports, nutrition, who are nutrition conscious, who are diet conscious, who want to limit their daily intake of sugar. So what for those people? So for those people, we are usually adding non-nutritive sweeteners inside the foods. So what is the working of those non-nutritive sweetener? That means your body will not assimilate those sweetener as a nutrient, and it will be directly excreted from your body. Also, they are added in very less quantity. For example, if in place you want to have 1 gram of sugar, so if you add 1 gram of your sucralose, it will be 600 times. So instead of a place where 600 grams of sugar will be needed, 1 gram of sucralose will be sufficient. So that is the main use of your non-nutritive sweeteners. But the main disadvantage of using the non-nutritive sweetener is that they usually have some metallic or bitter or tingling aftertaste, and that needs to be masked. So it is the main work of a food technologist as to in what proportion or what ratio, and usually they are used in combination. So what combination you should use for those non-nutritive sweeteners so that they don't have a metallic aftertaste. So in your soft drinks, usually your acesulfame K and saccharin, these two are usually used as a non-nutritive sweetener. So A and B is the right answer for this question, which is your first option. So all these questions have been coming in CUET 2024. We have already posted the videos for CUET 2022 and CUET 2023. So you can check out those videos on our channel, and those might be also useful for you, because you should be aware of the question pattern that has been coming. Because see, one part of studying is that you have covered a particular topic, but you should be aware as to in what way that particular topic can be asked in your exam. So those videos will be useful for you in that sense. Then the next question is, we have to match the food outlet and the sub classification. So usually this is from your food processing and your management section. So in that, restaurants come in fast food chain category, then food store come in food retail shop category, institutional feeding comes in school meal program, like your midday meal program or your various other programs in which schools provide the meals to the students. And then leisure feeding is your roadside eateries. That means you just go out to have some chaat or some snacks outside in the evening or at night. So fourth option is the right option for this question. That is A for third, B for fourth, C for worst, and your D for second. Then question number 11. So this is from your cookies, that is your bakery section. So deposit cookies contain -% of unbleached flour, unbleached soft wheat flour. So what is deposit cookies? So deposit cookies is coming from your batter type cookies. So cookies are also made of two types, like they are made by two methods. First is your dough method and second is your batter method. Dough method, in which you'll be making a hard dough or out of your wheat flour, and then you'll be making cookies out of it by cutting method or by various different roller methods are there. But in deposit cookies, you will make a soft batter of that cookie. You will deposit that on a running conveyor, and that will be forming the shape of that cookie. And also there is a difference between the type of wheat flour that is being used in the manufacture of cookies, breads and cakes, because in breads you want hard wheat flour, in cookies and cakes you want a soft wheat flour. So 8 to 9% is the percentage of unbleached flour that is used in your deposit cookies. Then which type of can is used for high acid food? So L type of can. Straight away it is a very simple question from your food packaging, and also in that food packaging canning section this question is there. So L type cans are used for high acid foods because they have acid resistant properties. So all these questions have been asked in CUET 2024. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video has been useful for you in your preparation. And if in case you want further help from AgriVision, you can contact us. You can join our CUET regular classes, in which we'll interact with you on daily live lecture basis. We also provide test series and your sectional test, full length test. And if in case you have any further doubts, then one-on-one conversation with your mentors is there, which is useful for you, which will be useful in order to crack those entrance exam, which will be occurring next year. So that was all for this video. You can even follow us on all these social media handles in order to get regular updates about any information which we post on them. They're usually associated or related to any job posting or any new update that is occurring in the food industry, because as a food or agriculture student, these informations are useful for you, because very often those information can be asked in your entrance exam or any of the interview. So that was all for this video. All the best for your exam preparation, and we'll be soon posting the part 2 of this series. So you may subscribe to our channel, and thank you all for watching.